Which mattress vacuum cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner. First up is the JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner. At around $79.99, this product caught my attention with its powerful 500W motor and smart dust sensor. If you want a thorough clean that eliminates dust and allergens, this is worth a serious look. The smart dust recognition technology is a game changer, as it tells you exactly how much dust is on your bed. And with UV lights and ultrasonic waves, it not only cleans but also sanitizes, ensuring your family stays healthy. Now, some people complained about the corded design, which can be restrictive. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for deep cleaning and have a dedicated spot to use this, the long 16FT cable gives you plenty of reach. This is perfect for you if you have pets or allergies and want to ensure your mattress is as clean as possible. Skip this one if you need something portable and don't want to deal with cords. For the price, it offers solid value for your peace of mind. Now, if the corded aspect of the JIGOO bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a wireless option. Product number 2, FVPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Next up is the FVPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $66.46. This caught my eye with its strong suction and advanced UVC technology. If you want a vacuum that dives deep into your fabric layers, this one deserves a look. The FVPPO offers 16 kPa of suction power, combined with a 30,000 RPM tapping feature. Plus, the UVC light helps eliminate 99.9% of unseen allergens, which is perfect for anyone with allergies. The HEPA filter captures particles as tiny as 0.3 microns, ensuring that the air you breathe stays clean. However, some users noted it's not ideal for pet hair, which can be a bummer if you have furry friends. But if your main concern is dust and allergens, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is great for you if you want a versatile cleaner for beds and sofas. Skip this if you're primarily dealing with pet hair. It's a good value for those focused on deeper cleaning. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for multi-layered cleaning. Product number 3, BYHUME Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Coming in at just $49.99, the BYHUME Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers impressive features for budget-conscious buyers. Its powerful motor and UVC light caught my attention. If you want effective cleaning without breaking the bank, this is a strong contender. With 17 kPa suction power and a brush speed of 80,000 RPM, this vacuum is designed for deep cleaning. The combination of UV light and ultrasonic waves means it can penetrate deep into fabrics, eliminating dust and allergens effectively. Plus, it has a dual cyclone filtration system that ensures even the tiniest particles are captured. However, some users mention that it might feel a bit bulky during use. But honestly, the performance you get for the price makes it a worthwhile trade-off. This vacuum is perfect for you if you want efficient cleaning on a budget. Skip this if you're looking for something ultralight and compact. You get great value for money with its strong cleaning capabilities. Now, if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, the next product might just impress you even more. Product number 4, Teint Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Next up is the Teint Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $84.59. The unique features like the Hyperhelix motor and anion technology caught my eye. If you're after a cleaning device that goes beyond just suction, this could be the one. The Teint offers dual suction levels and can achieve 33,000 RPM for tapping, which means it's designed for serious dirt removal. The 149 hot air helps loosen trapped dust, while the anion technology reduces odors in your living space. Plus, the HEPA filter captures 99% of fine particles, keeping your air clean. However, some users found it a bit heavy for prolonged use. Look, if you're okay with a little extra weight for deep cleaning performance, it's worth it. Just be mindful if you have mobility issues. This is perfect for you if you're a pet owner or just want to ensure your home is as clean as possible. Skip this if you prefer lighter vacuums. The investment is justified by its excellent cleaning results. Now, if you're after something that's more portable and easy to handle, the final product on our list might just be your best match. Product number 5, PATO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Finally, we have the PATO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, priced at an attractive $49.99. What really caught my attention is its wireless design and lightweight build. If you want portability with effective cleaning, this one is definitely worth considering. With 12K PA suction power and its built-in UVC lamp, the PATO eliminates up to 99.9% of allergens. And with a HEPA filtration system, it keeps your air clean while you vacuum. On the flip side, some reviews mention the battery life could be better, as it lasts around 60 minutes. But honestly, for quick cleanups, this is usually more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, wireless option for quick cleaning around the home. Skip this if you need something for deep, heavy-duty cleaning. Considering its features, it's a great value for a portable vacuum. So there you have it. Each of these mattress vacuum cleaners has unique features tailored to different needs. To wrap it all up, we looked at the JIGOO for power, the FEPPO for deep cleaning, the BYHUME for budget efficiency, the TEENT for advanced features, and the PATO for portability. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that suits your specific cleaning needs best.